Guys, hurry up and use this platform. It's literally insane. You can literally use it to create using Seedance 2.0 and Veo 3.1 for free. I'm going to show you how you can claim the bonus and also use it using temporary email. And it works perfectly well with temporary email. You don't have to use your account. So guys, let's go. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to log in to this platform. Now you can see it has video, voiceover, we have AI video, AI images, and all of that. I want to show you something. So let's quickly log out of this platform because I already logged. So once you are here, you go ahead and, okay, you can log in with a Google account. You can use another email to log in. Okay, let's say you want to use temporary email to log in. So you can go ahead and generate your temp mail. So you're going to go ahead and verify that you are human. To verify you are human, you're going to get our email here, our temporary email that we use on this platform to generate. Okay, please follow this step by step. The reason why I'm taking my time is because a lot of you complaining on some of the tools that you're seeing right now that free, that were free yesterday are no more free again. So I'm bringing you generate your videos using these options. Okay, so go ahead and click your email and then let's take it over to here. Paste it here. Let's see what is going to happen. So we have to say send code. So you can create temporary email and use. They have sent the code 58 seconds. So let's head back to our temporary email website to get our code. So our inbox is here, is refreshing, waiting for incoming mails. It's going to reflect here. So what you did, just copy the code and head back to the platform. So here is it. So go ahead and verify it. Beautiful. So guys, we're already one step ahead. We want to use temporary email to generate. So before now it wasn't supporting temporary email, and now you can support temporary email now. So this is good news, guys. Go ahead and try this out. Keep using this platform. Before now it wasn't like this, so this is a great change for content creators, so they can keep using this platform and keep using Seedance 2.0 and other professional AI models here. All right, so you can see try now and you have 500 free credit as usual. So if you try now, it said breaking news, Seedance 2.0 is back. Before now, it was not back. Like at some point, it was restricted. It wasn't free anymore. Okay, so now it's now first time you're going to have this tell us a bit about you. Okay, so you're going to answer this question to claim additional credit that will enable you to generate more videos. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and answer as many as I can. Go ahead and answer. You don't even need to answer it correctly. Just tick it just for you to get your credit. All right. So you can see you can use temporary email for this, and then subsequent time you can literally use your emails. Okay, create as many emails as you want, and then tell us for free. Then this is in a cool platform. That's all. The ones you are done, you don't need, like I said, you don't need to do too much just for us to claim this credit. Okay, so once you submit this, you head over and check your dashboard. You're going to see free 200 credit has been given onto you, like you are seeing here. Okay, once you complete this, you have free 200 credit. And guys, congratulations, because with this 700 credits, you can generate as many videos as possible, and you can create more emails to keep generating using this platform. So this is a new feature, okay, that has been given on to us. Okay, got it. So you can close it, and then you have 700 credits. You can click here, right, to try Seedance 2.0 for free. So guys, this is how you're going to be using Seedance 2.0 here, and not just Seedance 2.0, you have access to other models. So you're the one to decide which particular model you are to use. So if you're using Seedance 2.0, it will cost you credit, right? But if you use, or they can try other models to see how much credit this costs. So let me show you quickly the platform, the models that are here. So like we can see, I'm here with my prompt. So if you go ahead, look at the models that are here. We have other models that are here that you can see. Mesora is here. Veo 3.1 Lite is here. Thanks to video that are free. Okay, so all this you can go ahead and try it. Happy Us is also here. So don't limit yourself to only Seedance 2.0, but let's go ahead and use this. Okay, and you can see it will also affect the credit I'm using. It reduces the credit to 285 credit. So let's say we are using Seedance 2.0 fast and we're using 5 seconds, right? So the higher your duration, the higher the credits you are going to be using. So you can see this generated with audio also. And you can select your aspect ratio here. It doesn't, this is the secret on using this platform. And guys, jump on it and start creating. In my subsequent video and my next video, I'm going to bring to you other free AI tools compiled into one that you can keep using to generate videos without some of them don't have login details, some don't, some of them have Seedance and Grok in one platform. So if you're interested, comment I'm interested in the comment section of this video, and I will make a compilation of these platforms for you, just for you. Okay, so if you've watched it this time, go ahead and like the video so that you can push it to more people. All right, then don't forget to drop me a nice comment and try this out yourself and let me know the feedback. Remember, I'm using temporary email. I'm not using my email. So after using your temporary email, you can create more temporary email and create account with it. But make sure when you create a temporary email, you are using it at that moment, because you can't go back to temporary email after you've closed the interface. Do you understand? So keep using it. Then once you exhaust the credit on that particular email, you generate another one and create another one. Do you understand? Create another account. Then once you are done, you want to use your own email, you swap and then use your own email. So this is how you're going to be using to generate your videos and your images on this platform, using using your preferred model, Seedance 2.0. And guys, this is the result.
They said time waits for no one. But what if you could break it?
Download it from here. Okay, you can preview. We have other models. You can literally try this. We have Veo 3, we have Veo 3.0, we have Veo 3.1 Lite. Yes, so you can go ahead and select it. So if you select Veo 3.1, wait for the number of credits you're going to be using for this. So you see, Veo 3.1 has different number of credits. The same, this one is 8 seconds. They're going to reduce, okay, this is the only aspect ratio that is here, and it costs you 400. Okay, so this is with audio, and then up to 8 seconds. So you can reduce this so that our credits can reduce maybe for our images. So literally you can use this platform and create up to 2 videos using that 700 credits, and you still have some credits remaining for image generation, and then you can swap the email to use another email to keep generating. So this is good for your project. So try this out and let me know in the comment section. So now you have 300, just 6 seconds video. So the same prompt, okay, I'm going to drop the same prompt and I'm still going to hit send. Okay, the same prompt, the same prompt, the same everything. So you see, the result is insane. So go ahead and try this out and let me know in the comment section what you think about this.
They said time waits for no one, but what if you could break it?
Then guys, see you in the next one. Remember, my next video, I will compile all the free tools you can use Grok and Seedance together, and then just for you. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.